So we now read, enter the number of vertices or edges of the polygon that you have to store in the n, and then you have to read the number of coordinates. Means again I have to put C out, C out. Okay, so suppose that's my next line. Enter, enter the coordinate of polygon. So here you have to read the polygon coordinates. So for I is equals to 0, I is equals to 0, that's my initialization, I less than n. Okay, and then I plus plus. Correct. Is there any question up to this point? Because of these things we have already done in C fill, H fill, okay, and flood fill. So that algorithm I have already done. So that same things we have followed here. I can read the coordinates. So C out. So that coordinates can be read. Suppose I have put C out as an X variable, X put like this. So this is my I, okay? And then again you have to put the Y coordinates. Okay? So this is my Y coordinates, Y I means X0, Y0. Okay, this is the way that user can get display, and user is going to enter the value. So C in read the value P of what, first coordinate is what, P of I0 is my first coordinates, then second P of I0 is my X coordinates, and P of I1 is my Y coordinates, I0 and I1. Okay, so these are all the coordinates. Once you read it, then whatever your last point, you have to store it to the first point. Means P of I0 is equals to P of 0, 0, and P of I1 2 is equals to P of 0, 1. So that's indicate my first points to the last point. Because of that, we have generated closed figure. That I have to show again. Now, init graph. So init graph, that have to pass and GD and GM. Okay. So what is this? Address of graphics driver and address of graphics mode that you have to pass in init graph. Turbo C3, here you have to consider BGI. This is the path for Borderline graphics interface driver. Now here you have to draw the polygon. For drawing the polygon, again you have to start the loop for I is equals to 0, okay, I less than n, I plus plus. This is my loop you have to start. Now here you have to draw the polygon by line wise. So simple inbuilt line function you have to use here. So I have using line. Okay. So that is my polygon. So P of what? I0, correct? This is my first point. Then P of I1. P of I1 is my next coordinates, means X and Y. Now, next point X1, Y1. Suppose first one is X1, Y1, second one is X2, Y2. So that P of I plus 1, 0, comma, P of I plus 1, 1. So this is my become X1, Y1 coordinates. Got it? And that is going to draw complete polygon. Okay. Is there any question up to this point? Everybody understood? Now, once you draw it, okay, so that you have to read one character, suppose. Huh? So here you have to write for the moment. So that can be selected home. Okay. Here suppose I am writing get ch. Read any character. Okay. Now from this you have to start your scanline fill algorithm. So here I have to first calculate the slope of the line. Okay, so what will be the intersection point? So again start here for, okay, I have to consider I is equals to 0, I less than n, कारण मला प्रत्येक याचा स्लोप काढायचं मी या ठिकाणी रीड करणार. Let's see what they have said. हा फ्लोट आता 1/m, आता मी 1/m म्हटलंय, सो 1/2 समजा स्लोप हा 2 समजा स्लोप असेल, so 1/2 is what is 0.5, so 0.5 is my which value? Float value. So that's why we have considered slope as an float. समजलंय? Why we are considering this slope as an float? Because of you have to consider 1/m. M is the slope of the line. Okay, समजा स्लोप हा 2 असेल, 2 असेल, so 1/2 become 0.5, so 0.5 is my float value, fractional value, so that's why you can consider the float. Now here I have to calculate, जसं आपण प्रत्येकच्या वेळेस लाईनला dy by dx काढलं होतं, तर या ठिकाणी आपल्याला प्रत्येक इंटरसेक्शनला dy by dx काढायचं. So that dy by dx that you have to put in the loop. So dy is equals to what? See, p of I plus 1, 1. The p of I plus 1, 1. म्हणजे p of 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. So this is my all y coordinates. So this is my y2. This is my y2. Suppose I say this is p of I plus 1 is y2. So p of I is become my y1. P of I become my y1. So this is my y1 minus y2. dy is what? y1 minus y2. Understood? Same dx. आता मला dx काढायचं. So dx कसं असणार? P of what is your dx? P of I plus 1, 0. This is my x2 minus P of I plus 1, 0. This is, sorry, this is my P of I only 0. So this is my x1. So this is my x1, y1, x2, y2. Means here I can say, so dx dy is equals to y2 minus y1, and here I can say in the comment dx is what? Dx is what? x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. Everybody understood? So this dy and dx we have already calculated in the line, which DDA line drawing algorithm, Bressenheim line drawing algorithm. So same way you have to calculate here, but what is the difference? Here you have to calculate with the two-dimensional array. So that is P of I plus 1, 1 is my y2 and P of I 1 is my y1. Okay. Everybody understood this? Now suppose my, if this dy value, आता मी dy value is equal to 0 असेल, dy जर 0 असेल आणि 0 divided by anything, 0 divided by anything, that is become 0. So slope become 0. Slope of I become 0. Okay. That is the 0. And dx, okay, and dx, so I have considered the dx is equal to 0. Okay, dx is equal to 0. So then what? Dx is what? Dy by dx. So dy having suppose one value, 1 divided by 0. So anything you can divide by 0, so that become a 0. So that you can say if dx is equal to 0, that time slope of I means that intersection point you can consider as 0. Everybody understood? Is there everyone understood this? Slope of the line? Yes, any question? Because of this is some little bit difficult. Okay. There is little bit difficult. Is there any question? Now, so, but some of the point that you have to go in y direction. Okay, you have to go to the y direction. So that time you just have to modify here. That slope you can consider as an 1 because of you are moving to the y direction. Y means vertical direction. And if both are not, if suppose I say if dy is not equals to 0, okay, and okay, and dx also not equals to 0, dx also not equals to 0. So that time you have to calculate the slope. If both are not equal, so that I put in the bracket. जर असेल तर पहिले 1 घ्या, नसेल तर तुम्ही slope calculate करा. So what is the slope then? Slope become slope of I is equals to what? That you have to divide float what? Dx by dy. So again the question in your mind, why I am considering dx by dy? Yes, I am considering dx by dy because of you are working in fourth quadrant. आपण कुठे वर्क होता फोर्थ क्वाड्रंटला. See, just I am going to draw. Okay, so this is your entire monitor screen. Okay, so just this is your entire monitor screen. So that monitor screen, suppose I have divided into 4 parts. Okay, so that's I have divided into 4 parts. So whenever you consider the slope of the line in this area, so that time you have to consider dx by dy. So that's why I am writing dx by dy over here. Now proceed for the next. So here you have to go. Once you calculate all the slope, okay, this is little bit difficult but easy program. Now I have to go from suppose top to bottom or bottom to top. First of all I have to go simple way top to bottom, म्हणजे 0 to 480 पर्यंत मी जाणार suppose. So for I is equals to means that I have scanning y value, y is equals to 0, y less than 480. 480 ही माझी maximum value आहे ना, तर मी 480 पर्यंत स्कॅन करत जाणार. So y plus plus. Okay, and then I have start one intersection point k is equal to 0. Suppose this is my intersection point. Now start calculating the intersection. For I is equals to 0, so I have to scan I less than n I plus plus. Got it? So that I have to scan. Everybody understood up to this point? Now if आता इथे intersection तयार होणार, तर if suppose I have considered 2 bracket a of p of is my to p of I, okay, p of I 1, okay, p of I 1 is less than or is equals to y, okay, is less than or is equal to y, and suppose p of I plus 1 is the next value, 1 is greater than y, okay. So or that I consider suppose the bracket with the pipeline intersection p of, suppose I consider again p of I 1, okay, p of I 1 is greater than y, okay, and again again I have considered p of I plus 1 1, okay, is less than or equals to y. So this is the close my first or an entire or condition you have to put. This is my entire or condition. So if this thing is there, means what? That your intersection is occur. So once this intersection occur, so I have already told you, you have considered x intersection means xi. So first intersection I have already put the 0 value k is equal to 0. So first intersection k0 means xi 0 is equals to what? Xi 0 that I have put suppose an integer, okay, p of, so that p of I have considered p of which one? So while moving this, wait for a moment. Mm, Here I have considered P of int, P of I. Okay, first of all, you have considered P of I. Okay, and zero value. First intersection plus, okay, slope. We have already calculated slope of I. Okay, multiply with what will be the y value minus P of I 1, means there is your slope is calculated like this. Then k plus plus. Okay, so this is the way that you can write entire slope, means k plus plus. Now once you have considered this point intersection and that in between points suppose you got, म्हणजे मला कोणता पॉइंट मिळाला, suppose I have draw this my one of the polygon. Okay, this one of the figure I have to draw. This is my polygon. Okay. Again I have divide, means that intersection point, म्हणजे मला हा ट्रान्सफर करायचा आहे, which where I have to transfer this from this position, okay, to this position. So I have to draw different diagrams so that it become easy. Just have to use the line. Okay. So this is my first line, suppose this is my second line, this is my third line, this is my fourth line, okay, and this is my fifth line. This is my suppose the polygon. Okay, हा माझा पॉलिगॉन आहे आणि ह्याचा मला फिलअप करायचं आहे आणि अशा माझ्या लाईन्स येत आहेत. ओके, पण आता बघा मी आता लाईन्स इथे आली इथे दोन मला इंटरसेक्शन मिळाले. करेक्ट, हे दोन इंटरसेक्शन बरोबर आहेत. मला इथे एक इंटरसेक्शन मिळाला, इथे एक मिळाला. करेक्ट. नाउ अगेन the I don't have to intersect, but I have to go further because of still my polygon is not completed. So this is my second intersection and this is my another intersection. मला नंतर पुन्हा येणारे इंटरसेक्शन आहेत ना, मग मला काय करावं लागेल, स्वॅप करावं लागेल. स्वॅप म्हणजे इंटरचेंज, म्हणजे हा इंटरसेक्शन मी इथे टाकणार आणि हा इथे करणार. सो हाऊ कॅन परफॉर्म इट, सी. Okay, so just you have to go to the screen. Wait, why it's moving? Okay, so for this intersection you have to arrange. So for you have to start the loop for j is equals to 0. Suppose this is my j loop, j less than k, whatever the intersection you have got, k minus 1, the loop you can consider j plus plus. Okay, then for I is equals to 0, I less than k minus 1 times you have to go and I plus plus. म्हणजे मला ते intersection find out करायचे आहे first. Okay, so if that's my xi, whatever the xi is greater than is xi plus 1, म्हणजे माझा तो त्याच्यापेक्षा मोठा आहे तो intersection. So that time I have to swap. So how can I swap? By using temp variable. Now, so temp variable you can consider temp is equals to xi. This is my I value. Okay, then xi is equals to again xi I plus 1 value, correct, and then xi plus 1 I plus 1 value is equals to temp. This is the swapping method you can use. Now I have to start then filling because of I have calculate all the conditions. म्हणजे मी ते इंटरसेक्शनच्या दोन्ही बाजूचे पण कंडिशन घेतलेले आहे, इनसाइड कंडिशन घेतलेली आहे. सो सिंपल लाईन फंक्शन मला यूज करायची आहे. आता मला सिंपल लाईन फंक्शन यूज करताना मी एखादा डिफरंट कलर घेतो. सपोज आय हॅव सेट एनी कलर टू फिल, सेट कलर, वेट, सेट कलर, I have considered set color as in 2. Okay, from this I am going to draw the fill the polygon. For I is equals to 0, I less than k, I plus is equals to, that I have put the plus is equals to 2. मला एक एक लाइन 2 च्या याने मला पिकअप करायची. So that's why I am using a 2 line, simple line function I have used. Then xi is my I value then y is my intersection xi, second intersection जे मला मिळणार आहे ते, okay, and then y, म्हणजे y तर हा कॉन्स्टंटच राहणार, because of y I'm not going to increasing it. So xi and xi plus 1 is important. I use 20 as my delay. Okay, close this loop, get ch, okay, and close graph, close graph. Understood? This is little bit big one program, but it's easy. It's not having much more difficult. So that we have consider entire things over here. See, so that I am checking my program from top to bottom. Okay, again you have to check it properly. So scan that consider xi, yi, and that xy, that variable you have considered. Then dy, that's my point I have considered there. Then these are the points. Then I have used just swapping temp I have considered that, yes, temp also, and this my value. Okay, now you have to compile it. So that shows some error. So there's expression syntax error. What they have saved? Okay, I have used this bracket. So here I need this bracket. Okay, okay, good, good, good. Mayank, no problem. So you have to, sorry. So that program is going, you're going need to scroll होते, it's scrolling the program. Okay, wait, just wait. P of, whatever condition P of and then P of bracket we need, sorry, and then P of I1 plus 1, okay, then less than, correct. Okay, so see, so that you have to include DOS dot h, because of you are using delay. Why I'm using delay? Because of we need that the see the lines are going to draw or not. Include DOS dot h. Okay, Mayank. Okay, now again I have to compile it. That shows the 4 error. What they are showing error? Missing bracket. Missing bracket where? Yes, that's the J loop I have considered, but I have not put the bracket. So that you must have to put the bracket here. So again compile it. Again showing 3 error. Main can't return the value. Okay. So that you may return 0 and then blank. Then showing 2 error is what? Statement missing compound means what? Some brackets are missing, I think. So for loop here we have consider here, okay, temp, okay. Then you have consider delay, okay, and this is the loop that you have end over here, suppose. Is it? See, this is the for loop that you have started, because of C is going to end. Everybody understood this? This is the for loop. This is my if condition. Okay, if condition will end over here, and this is my again the line, because of I have to draw the line one by one. This also end over here. So we need to forget the bracket. So this is why bracket for loop. Okay, that I have write the for loop. Compile it. Okay, and then what they say again compound missing one bracket said. Means we need to check again the brackets. Sorry. So I think you have to complete this bracket over here only. Okay, this, and this is my y, this is my if condition, this is my if condition, and this is my while loop. Okay, and this is again. Okay, now this is the correct. Now understood? Here the main for loop 480 480 का जो for loop है वो यहाँ पे end हो रहा है. For loop to y is equal to 480. Okay, जो loop है वो यहाँ पे end हो रहा है. Understood? Then again compile it. Okay, so that's zero error, zero warning, and then execute it. So is it visible to all? So first of all, you have to enter the suppose number of edges. So here I have entered 10, 10. Okay. Then suppose x1, y1, I have entered 10, 300, 300, 300, and 310. Okay. Is it visible to all? This one are the polygon that I have drawn. I have considered here large polygon because of we have to go for the large polygon size, and that's going to fill the entire inside area of the polygon. Is it visible to all? Dear student.
Yes, sir.
But what are the disadvantages in our previous 2-3 algorithm? That is for seed field, flood field, and edge field. That is going to overcome in scanline filling. Again, I am executing with the different value. Suppose that suppose I have put again execute the number of edges. Suppose I enter 4. That you have to start with the suppose 10, 10 is my initial point. 10, 300 is my next point. Okay. 300, 300 is my another next point. 150, 150 I have considered one center point, and 310. So this is one of the polygon that I have considered. Means that the contour type of the polygon. So that's again we can fill. So I have observed that that is going to fill from top to bottom. That is filling this my entire polygon from top to bottom. Suppose I have to reverse it. Reverse it means bottom to top. So only I have to change the loop. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी मला फक्त लूपच चेंज करावा लागणार. So which is the loop that I have already considered? See, y is equals to suppose I have said 480. मी आता 480 पासून जाणार म्हणजे खालून जाणार. कुठपर्यंत जाणार? y is greater than up to what 0. कुठपर्यंत जाणार तो 0 पर्यंत जाणार आणि y ला मला काय करावं लागेल मायनस मायनस. सो दॅट यू हॅव टू परफॉर्म y मायनस मायनस. मीन्स दिस इज गोइंग फ्रॉम bottom to top. This is going from bottom to top. Again I have to compile, only I have changed the loop. So again I have consider suppose the 5, the 10, 10. Okay. So this is my 10, 10 variable. Wait for the minute. Sorry, that goes ahead now. 10, 10. Okay. Then second I have considered suppose what my 10, 300. Okay. 150, 150. This is my point. Again 300, 300, and 310. Okay. So that's scrolling. तो थोड़ा scroll झाला म्हणून तुम्हाला ते coordinate दिसलेच नाहीत, but the coordinate I have drawn properly. Now this is again my concave polygon that I have to fill up it. Okay. And then I have changed the loop. So I have to fill up from bottom to top. So see the scan linings are going from bottom to top. So this is the way that you can increase the delay, put the delay down, and fill this entire inside area of the polygon. And here you have to consider the large size of the polygon. This is little but large program, and that's not having a recursive. इथे आपण recursive घेतलेले नाही आहे. Recursive, this is not a recursive. This is the complete. I am drawing the line one by one. So is there any question you have understood? Are you able to implement it? So just I have to stop sharing and share the screen. Scan line. Wait for a moment, I will take the attendance. Only 30 students are present. Those are present, that only I have marked. And I am going to show the screen also, because of no one can be blamed. Sir, I am present, why you mark me as an absent? I already told you, you must have to present and execute this program. Okay. So I'm again going to share this program also. Okay, and that program you have to upload on Moodle. So Moodle वर पण तुम्ही upload करा आणि execute करून बघा. And those are from directly second year admission. Those are taken directly second year admission DSE. So they have also start implementing the program. Okay, they also start implementing the program. Okay. Thank you very much.